Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Today I'm going to be stripping this wheel because this rim is very damaged and I can't repair that. So I want to reuse this hub, Sturmey-Archer AG Dynohub. So going to take apart the spokes and and then I can get on with cleaning and refurbishing the hub itself, order a new rim and get on with putting the bike back together, because it's really the wheels that are gonna hold everything up. Can't have a bike without wheels. So let's have a closer look at this wheel before I take it apart. It's got the cloth rim tape, which is nasty. The rim itself is a chrome plated steel rim, and it's been painted at some point because it's got silver paint around it, but you can tell that the chrome is still there, and the braking surfaces themselves are well, they're rusty because the chrome and everything's been worn away. Now, I'd probably be fine reusing this rim, giving it a good clean and stuff, were it not for the big dent in the rim. I have no idea what this is. It's like some metal or something that's wrapped around a spoke. So yeah, so I've got a spoke tensioner, which I'll be using to undo as many spokes as I can, in order to remove the hub. To undo the spoke nipples, rotate anti-clockwise as you're looking from the base. Oh, well, that one's not coming out. It's always the last one. There we go. More grips to the rescue. Right. So let's remove this. It'll probably be easier to get the spokes off. Ugh. That is a massive washer. Or is it two of them stuck together? I think it's two washers stuck together. There's a cap. Right. Right, there it is. There's the AG hub. So it says AG 1956 August. That's the 8. So 8/56. Needs a good clean up. It's heavy. It's very heavy. The rim Rim is nice and light now. On the inside of the rim, you have these little washers that the nipple goes into, and that conforms to the inside of the rim. So when I get a new rim, I need to get some new spokes, and I also need to get some new nipples and some washers as well. There, let's have a quick wipe of this hub. I'm hoping all of this grease and grime has preserved the chrome as much as possible. So I've just got some very fine wire wool. I'm just going over this bit of rust here. There we go, that's coming up. That looks a lot better. A lot cleaner. So, there we go. That's the back of the cog. Very good nick, although I think it is a bit too worn. So I will replace that. So the tyres we've got are Michelin Zigzag 26 by 1 3/8. That's on the back. On the front we've got Michelin Roadster tyres. I think this rim has had it, so this will go in scrap. It's a 40 hole rim which I'll need to replace. The front wheel The rim of that is alright. Again, it's a steel chrome rim that's been spray painted silver at some point. It's not buckled or anything, but it does need a clean. What is this? Some kind of clip. What does it say? Industries, Raleigh Industries. So that's a Raleigh Industries hub. No surprise there. Oh, I know what that clip is then. Where have I put it? That's interesting. So there's a hole here, you see, in the shell. Now what could that be? We've got a clip here, which could well be, yes, it's an oiler cap. This goes over like so, yeah, and fits in the hole. So that's for oiling the hub. Well, I never. Well, it's still going to get a good clean, this. Yeah. So it's for oiling the hub. I mean, it turns freely, so it's obviously done its job. Yes. Well, let's get this wheel stripped down, and then we'll finish that for the day. So on here, I think these are Schrader valves. I'll take the little lock nut off. Right, so here's a question for you all. When I've taken all this apart and replaced the back rim, the front and rear rim aren't going to match, because one is going to be in much nicer condition than the other, obviously. So should I also replace the front rim? Or, I mean, it's only original once. Keep the front rim, get a new rear rim, and just accept that they won't match. Let me know what you think. Alright. Oh, yeah, these tyres are pretty far gone, so it doesn't take much to get them off. tyre and the tube out. Yeah, this rim is really rusty on the inside. The spokes kind of feel alright. Well, that's looking quite nice now. So I think we'll leave this here for now, because I need to order new parts for the rear wheel, and we can start building that up in a future video once the parts arrive. So with that, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press like, subscribe, hit that bell notification icon, so you know when the next part comes out. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And until next time, bye for now.